Idiya Israel Plus food trailer comes ready to go with everything you'll need to start your food business venture. Generous in size, it has loads of exciting features. Let's go take a look. It's made of fiberglass edge shell and steel sheet with customised painting. It has a single axle with spring damping and an A-frame which can be used to store your generator or your gas cylinder. It's insulated with an interior steel wall and features a white painted finish to give a professional and fresh look. The main service window is lit with LED stud lights as well as an LED strip light here. The interior is spacious, well ventilated, has plenty of overhead clearance and workroom. It comes with a lockable cash drawer, a pull-out trash bin. All of the bench tops and cupboards are made from a food grade 304 steel, keeping things hygienic and clean. It features a rear window for ventilation and has non-slip aluminium flooring with a drain. There's plenty of underbench storage so you can store your stock and your equipment. It comes with a double fridge installed with an adjustable shelf. There are 3 windows for ventilation as well as the door. It comes with a hot water heater, 2 sinks, then underneath the bench you'll find the drainage for fresh and wastewater and an oil and water separator.